Walking on a beach can be a great experience. But aside from the water, and instead of sand, you might encounter a sea of seashells. And walking on them barefoot can make you go, ouch!
Look at this. Ow. Man, some of these shells are sharp.
So if this is your plan next summer, take the flip-flops with you. Ouch! What's the first sound? Well, here's the thing. There are two ways of spelling ow. Which one do you think we need for the word ouch? If you're thinking this one, nope. OW is for a word that has the ow at the end of the word. But in the word ouch, it's not the last sound. So let's go for this one. Ow. One more. Good. The sneezy sound ch, which is made up of these two letters. One more time. Ouch. Ow. Ch. These were a gift from a student who went to a Florida beach last year. Let's use them. Whoa, so unique. Anybody else in there? Ouch, this one's missing a leg. Ouch. Let's sound it out together. Ouch. And that, my friends, is how you spell ow in the middle of a word. O-U. Thanks for watching, and don't forget your flip-flops.